happy Friday before the Black Friday. I am so sorry that this is pre-recorded, but technical issues on the side of Facebook, who decided that right at my big deal reveal time that they are not going to be able to support live videos. So Facebook. But good news. We have as I promised, a live to tape, that's what we used to call it in the news business, deal reveal. We have never done this before. So I know Black Friday is next Friday, but today what we are doing is a massive sale on the Ultimate Silhouette Guide. And you can get a free month to Silhouette You. Okay, so here's how this works. All of the Ultimate Silhouette Guides, all of my big books are 25% off. Okay, there's 4 big books. Ultimate Silhouette Guide, basically for Cameo 4 for beginners. That's the big boy, right? And then we've got Cutting a Profit for if you're running a business or want to run a business or want to know how to market. We've got a print and cut book. Okay, this one's been updated. It says stickers here, but it's been updated for print and cut. And then the design guide, which is not only an ebook, but comes with 18 videos too. So you can work through. Now, if you buy any of them individually, automatic 25% off. Yay, 25% off. If you buy any bundle, which is any combination, so you can get all 4, you can get 2, you can get 3, whatever you want, you get a free month to Silhouette You. This deal is happening today and tomorrow, okay? The 19th and the 20th. And here's the even better news for those of you who are like, I already have the books, I'm bummed I miss out. We are doing it so that if you buy an Ultimate Silhouette Guide gift card, it also comes with a free month to Silhouette You. So that means if you already have all the books and you want to purchase for a friend, or if Santa is looking for something for you and you maybe want to hint to Santa to get you a gift card to the Ultimate Silhouette Guide, that too will come with a free month to Silhouette You. Now, what the heck is Silhouette You? Silhouette You is our premium exclusive membership website that we launched in 2016. So hard to believe, but we celebrated 5 years just about 2 months ago. Every one of those months and every month going forward, we have added 6 new videos to our video library. These are videos that are not on YouTube, they're not on Facebook, they're not on Silhouette School Blog. They are exclusive to Silhouette You, and they all remain there. So there's videos from 2 years ago, there's videos from 5 years ago, and if you join today, you get access to all of them, plus those going forward, okay? Not only that, but one-on-one help with yours truly. Every week, twice a week, we have what I call office hours where you can chat me, and I will respond in real time, right to you. You're not getting anyone else on my team, you're getting me. So that's there. You also get a $12.99 coupon every month to Sew Fancy for fonts and designs. That's worth the price of the membership right there, to be completely honest. But you're getting a free month, don't forget, if you get the books. And there's a whole lot of other benefits as well, including a private Facebook group for easy and fast support, a private inbox, which is my priority inbox, which I answer first. There's a monthly giveaway. There's so much stuff for Silhouette You, but you get to try it free with any ebook bundle or Ultimate Silhouette Guide gift card purchase today or tomorrow. Okay? All right, so I'm throwing all the links up there for you. There's more information on Silhouette School Blog, and if you subscribe to our email list, I'm also sending you a special email with all the details so you don't miss out. All right, guys, happy Friday before Black Friday. See you soon.